Guys, customer support gets out of hand faster than you'd think. It starts with a few emails, and suddenly you're drowning in chats, tickets, follow-ups, and reports spread across 5 different tools. And then someone from management drops the classic line, "Just add AI to it." You know what that usually looks like. You put a chatbot on top of a system that was already struggling, slap a label on it, and call it done. Looks fresh for about a week. But behind the scenes, nothing actually changed. Still scattered, slow, and reactive. And that's exactly the gap SparrowDesk was designed to fill. I am Daniel, and today we are going to see if SparrowDesk actually does things differently. Rather than adding AI on top of support as an afterthought, it builds that intelligence straight into how the whole workflow operates from the beginning. So let's walk through what that actually looks like when you're using it day to day. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Alright, let's start. My friends, SparrowDesk is a full support operating system that lives inside one platform. Help Center, Customer Portal, Shared Inbox, Automation, and Reporting, all connected from the start. No jumping between tabs, no copy-pasting between tools. At the core of it sits Zoona AI. And before you picture another chat bubble floating in the corner of a web page, this is different. Zoona isn't attached to the outside of the system. It's built into it, working under the same rules and structure as the rest of the support operation. One environment, everything talking to everything else, nothing falling through the cracks. Guys, a lot of support platforms today just layer AI on top of outdated systems. But SparrowDesk works differently. It's a full support operating system, where intelligence is built into the foundation from day one. At the center of it is Zoona AI. This is not a simple assistant suggesting replies. It's an autonomous agent that can instantly resolve up to 60% of routine requests across chat and email. Today, we're going to see how SparrowDesk turns traditional support into a fully connected, intelligent ecosystem, using our Focus Flow service as an example. SparrowDesk brings everything your team needs into one place: a structured help center, a customer portal, and a full ticketing system, all inside a single environment. Mates, instead of stitching together separate tools, you get a unified workspace that removes fragmentation and gives you full visibility across your operations. You're not just managing messages here, you're managing the entire customer experience. Every channel flows into one shared inbox, and all customer data is always within reach. Now let's move to Zoona AI. This is not a copilot that just suggests text, it's an agent that actually takes action. Training it is straightforward. You upload your internal documents, add PDF guides, connect your website, and even include past support conversations in a Q&A format. Over time, it learns how your team actually works. You're not just building a bot here, folks. You're creating a digital expert that works 24/7 without needing manual checks on every response. Zoona handles the repetitive workload, so your team can focus on more complex cases. You also control how the agent represents your brand. Inside the persona settings, you define its name, avatar, and communication style, whether that's more formal, more conversational, or somewhere in between. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. There are also flexible chat controls. You can define the first message, decide when the AI responds independently, and when it should involve a human agent. You can also configure things like conversation closing, either manually or automatically, when a customer becomes inactive. Inside the knowledge base, you define communication rules and tone guidelines. The agent operates strictly within those rules, so it stays consistent instead of improvising. Folks, on top of that, you can set clear handover conditions. For example, if a customer reports a damaged product or shows frustration, Zoona instantly transfers the conversation to a human agent with full context included. And this is where things get interesting. With every interaction, the system keeps improving. Inside analytics, you can clearly see where your knowledge base has gaps and which requests still require human input. So instead of constantly reacting to support requests, you start running it as a structured, scalable part of your business. Guys, now we integrate our customized Zoona AI directly into the Focus Flow website. I copy the widget code and use a ready-made script from SparrowDesk, which allows the widget to appear instantly on the site. Since SparrowDesk is a unified system, customers can not only chat, but also track their requests through a built-in portal. This creates a seamless support experience, where intelligence is embedded into the structure of the web page. As you can see, the widget fits naturally into the premium look of the site. Let's, for example, ask a question from our knowledge base. For instance, we don't offer international shipping, and the answer is correct. Now let's check how it handles more specific queries about equipment compatibility. We can see that it answered correctly with pricing and policies. It also takes into account everything in our knowledge base, including a 10% discount and rentals over 3 days. And now let's run a test. Can the AI recognize an issue and escalate it to a human? And as you can see, everything works. So guys, here's the takeaway. SparrowDesk isn't a regular help desk with AI sprinkled on top. It's built as a proper operating system for support, where the intelligence is part of the structure from day one. Zoona handles the repetitive volume, your team focuses on what actually needs them, and the whole thing runs as one connected workflow. For companies that are growing, SparrowDesk runs a startup program. You can avail an enterprise plan, everything unlocked, at up to 90% off for your first year, with exclusive startup discounts for the next 2. If you are building out your support and want something structured rather than patched together, this one is worth a serious look. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.